Oh, they're really good.
What
They're really,
the hell?
they're really
man?
loud and high.
What the,
Really
why?
high.
Why?
What?
Why?
Why what? The hiccup guy. The hiccup guy.
Doing this to please the hiccup guy.
Don't you want?
You don't know who this is?
Don't you want the hiccup guy happy? I mean, this is his thing. I mean, oh,
God. They hurt?
this has been wonderful.
Not funny.
This has been a wonderful day. I'm telling you so far.
Yeah.
It just can only get better.
Oh.
He is going to be out of his mind happy. Oh, these are loud and squeaky.
Loud and squeaky.
Just keep them going. Put the napkin down.
No.
It's 8 of about 9. Yeah.
How you doing?
Maybe he's the hiccup guy.
You never know. This could be someone sitting right beside you. You never know with the internet.
Yeah, good way. Oh, he's going to be just thrilled. He's going to love it. 3 minutes of
enough.
hiccups.
That's enough now. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye now.
One more.
For the road.
Give me one more.
I can't just...